Oils from your skin over time, walking in those same patterns, can darken the carpet, discolor the carpet.
Hey everyone, I'm Claudia and this is Social Questions by Top Choice Awards. Today we're here with Mark Norman, owner at Dang Good Carpet and Furnace Cleaning, Calgary's top choice carpet cleaning services of 2025. We're so happy to have you on the show again.
Well, thank you so much. We're honored to be here. This is our 4th year in a row, and we're really excited. We're really pumped to be here again.
Well, we're happy to have you. What's one thing you wish every homeowner would do between professional cleanings to extend the life of their carpets?
You know, that's a great question. To be honest, regular vacuuming is such an important part of keeping your carpets in good condition in between cleanings. Keeping the dirt and the grit out of the carpets sure prolongs the life of your carpet and keeps them looking good in between the cleanings.
Many homeowners try DIY carpet cleaning. What are some common mistakes you've seen, and why is professional cleaning still the better route?
Well, we do see this a lot where clients will try and clean their own carpets, and I really do discourage it simply because they're not trained and they're looking at stuff online to get a good idea of what they can do. And what happens more times than not is they'll use products or multiple products that end up damaging the carpet, and they don't have the foresight to see that trying to do something that they're themselves without proper knowledge or training can end up in a disaster. You know, you can discolor
and make it worse. Yeah,
you can just simply make it worse by trying to make it better yourself. So it's always good to make a quick call and speak to a professional for sure.
I agree. Do you recommend area rugs or carpeted floors for high traffic homes? And how should each be maintained differently?
Right. So they both have their place equally in homes, because a lot of homes now, our main floors are hard surface more than carpets these days, and carpets are on the upper levels of homes for the most part. So area rugs are a good thing to have on hardwood floors or tile floors, and keeps the noise down. But most area rugs now need to be sent out to be cleaned. Some can be cleaned on site depending on the surface we're cleaning on, and then your carpets for the upper levels, high traffic areas, stairs, such like that. I do find that wall-to-wall carpet is sure still a very popular way to go. And then general maintenance and cleaning of your carpets, truck-mounted steam cleaning, of course.
Okay, good to know. What's something most people don't realize that they're doing that's slowly damaging their carpets?
Another good one, I think, walking on your carpets with bare feet. A lot of people think that it's a safe thing to do, but we do find in a lot of homes where they've got darker areas for their high traffic areas, and we ask them that question, are you wearing shoes? Or no, we're mostly in bare feet. Well, the oils from your skin over time, walking in those same patterns, can darken the carpet, discolor the carpet, and possibly damage the carpet. So bare feet is not a good option.
I never would have known that. That is amazing. That's amazing information. What's one carpet myth that you'd love to debunk for homeowners once and for all?
One carpet myth. Now that's a really good one. I would say dry cycle on carpets. A lot of times when we clean carpets, customers think that the carpets are going to be dry right away, and they don't realize that they actually have to air dry. So dry cycles are more like 12 to 24 hours as opposed to being completely dry right after cleaning. So a lot of folks do think that is something that happens where you dry. You do have to allow carpets to dry. So that's a bit of a myth there.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Well, thank you again so much for being with us today. Congrats once again. What would you like to say to your Top Choice Award voters?
I want to say thank you very much for voting for us. We really appreciate our customers and our loyal customers that stick with us and vote for us every year. It means everything to Dang Good and my wife and I. And we can't believe we're here 4 years in a row, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.
Well, let's hope so. This has been another episode of Social Questions.